Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 10 blue screen error page fault in non-paged area. Right-click this PC, click Properties. Click Advanced System Settings. Click under Settings under Performance. Click Advanced. Click Change. Uncheck Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives, Paging file size for each drive. Check No Paging File. Click Set, click Yes. Click OK, OK. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.